Hello and welcome to course overview of Detection and Estimation, EC7204, to be offered for 2020. I'll be an instructor of this course, Isa Kwang, at School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, also appointed at AI Graduate School. This course is about signal detection and estimation, studying processing of information-bearing signals to extract information. Okay, so this is also called statistical signal processing. And a little bit more details on the goal of statistical signal processing is this. So usually the nature, the information that is hidden or unknown, so it can be a state, either 0 or 1, or it can be a parameter theta we might be interested in. And we want to know about that, but that is hidden unknown. And we only have noisy version of that. So there is information bearing signals, the measurements, and that typically follows some sort of conditional distributions. Given the state, what will be your observation? Given the parameter, what will be your observation? And statistical signal processing, detection and estimation is process this information bearing signals to extract information in an optimal way. Okay, so we can estimate the parameter, we can make decisions whether it is 0 state or 1 state. So a typical example of statistical signal processing is radar. So this cartoon is from Wikipedia, and it illustrates radar transmit a pulse and then monitor the reflected signals. Okay, so the transmit pulse is something like design, it is known, and we wait whether it coming back or not. Okay, so the received waveform at the bottom, which is generally, includes some noise. And if there is the target, then there will be a noisy version of transmitted pulse, right? So if we can find it, that's a detection problem. And if we know when it comes, then since we know how long it takes, we know the speed of light, so we can estimate the distance. Okay, so detection and estimation is typical function of radar. Okay, if we do further investigate this pattern, we maybe know more about the plane, whether it is passenger plane or fighter plane. So that's a recognition problem, but that is not the scope of this course. Okay, we will focus on estimation and detection. Okay. So a little bit more details on the position of this course, detection and estimation, which is actually based on random process. So that's a requirement of this course. If you don't know much about random process, this course will be very difficult. And you also need to know about probability and statistics and signals and systems, and a little bit of signal processing and communications. Okay, on the other side, detection and estimation is strongly related to other advanced courses, as I mentioned, some recognitions for speech recognition, pattern recognition, visual recognition, etc., and some theoretical studies like information theory and channel coding. Okay, so if you well understand detection and estimation, that would be very helpful to understand other advanced courses listed here. Brief course information. Again, I will be an instructor. And if you have any question, you can ask me by email, euiseokh@gist.ac.kr. And the textbook will be Fundamentals of Statistical Signal Processing by Stephen Kay. And the lecture will be online, hopefully some offline if possible. Okay, I hope you find this course is very interesting to you, and hope to see you at the lecture of detection and estimation, EC7204, in coming fall. Thank you and bye.